Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the Grand Mafia on your phone, which gives you unlimited gold. Basically, all you have to do in the Grand Mafia ++ is to simply type your desired amount of gold. You can type any amount of gold you want to get, just go ahead and type it, and make sure it is turned on like this. Now, when you go ahead and simply hold this next button, it should send it to your account. After finishing, open your account, and as you can see, the exact amount of gold you typed just loaded up. It is super easy, and I have had zero problems with it whatsoever. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. All you have to do now is to simply head over to the pinned comments down below. There, I explain exactly where you can get the Grand Mafia ++. So, just head over to the pinned comments, leave a like if this method worked for you at the end, and that's it. See you all in the next video. Bye-bye.